Hi, today I'm showing you how I painted an MG SAZABI VER KA with SHOWUP Terra Krome Perfect Kit plus installing LED. The product is quite mirror-like after final coat, high gloss and scratch resistant. For more information and where to purchase this product, please visit showup.gb. For Asia online purchase, please visit World Hobby Miniature. Links in description below. Thank you. I prep the parts by applying an entire poppy primer and let the parts dry for a day. In this first step, I will use SHOWUP base color real black to the parts and let the parts dry for at least 8 hours. No dilution is required for this paint. This is how the paints look like once dried. I mix SHOWUP Terra Krome clear primer, which also can be used as a clear final coat. The mixing ratio is 3 clear, 1 hardener and 20% thinner of the whole mixture. I start with a mixed layer, second a covering layer, and finalize with a wet layer. I let the parts to dry for 48 hours. This is how the parts turn out after 48 hours. Very glossy. It's about time to apply Terra Krome. I spray it lightly and patiently wait for the paint to develop into chrome and take 5-minute break between layers. I apply 3 to 5 layers for all the parts. The paint will slowly turn into chrome. This is how Terra Krome looks like, very chromic. I let the parts to dry for 24 hours. I mix SHOWUP clear primer again, mixing ratio 3 clear, 1 hardener and 20% thinner of the whole mixture. I start with a mixed layer and let the parts to wait for 15 minutes. I make sure this mixed layer will cover all the parts. After 15 minutes, I apply 2 more covering layers and 1 wet layer to finish the progress. I let all the parts to completely dry for 48 hours before assembly. All the parts are finalized with Terra Krome Perfect Kit. This is how the parts look like after dry. The parts can be touched with ease. The parts are super glossy, reflective, and can be touched without fading off. This is the final finish of the model. Thank you for watching.